is your final chance, sir.
Ow! Go. Got him, Joe? Then stop!
Please stop! Please!
These legs wiggling in the air here belongs to this man, 45-year-old Ronald Wagner, on May 13th, 2018 in Canton, Ohio. Our buddy Ronald here had a strong sense of entitlement, so he decided to drive with a fake license plate. 5 minutes later, he got stopped by police for the misdemeanor traffic violation of using a fake plate.
I'm a constitutionalist, refusing to give the trooper any information. Sir, driving is a privilege, not a right.
I'm not driving.
Oh, you are.
I'm traveling.
You're operating a motor vehicle. Okay.
The police were calm about the situation. Ronald, on the other hand, decided today is a good day to be difficult.
You realize this trooper has a legal reason to stop you. You're obligated to give him your information.
Well, I understand he has a legal reason, but he does not have a lawful reason. I'm just a private man.
It is a lawful reason. State of Ohio, he can request your information. If you give him your information, he'll do what he's going to do, give you a ticket, advise you, and you'll be on your way. It doesn't have to be a whole big thing.
You see, Ronald thinks he knows the law more than anybody, so his reason for not complying with the officer is driving with improper license plates only apply to commercial vehicles, which, as you guessed, is completely wrong. But that's not all. Ronald makes the argument he is traveling, not driving. Therefore, he doesn't have to speak to police due to law, which would be an interesting point as well if he wasn't also wrong about that too.
There's a CCW attached to the car. He won't give us his name. He says he doesn't have a weapon in the car, but he's not being cooperative. Okay? Failure to disclose personal identifying information. It is a crime. Okay.
It's not a crime.
It is.
It's a statute violation. It's not a lawful crime. I've committed no crime.
Oh, sir, I assure you.
I have the right to travel from point A to point B.
I assure you, it's a law.
He's trying to enforce a statute.
Okay.
That's all this is about. I'm trying to travel from point A to point B. It may be unfamiliar to some of y'all, but I'm doing.
Well, it's not unfamiliar to me at all.
Well, then you should know that I have the right to travel from point A to point B in my automobile, unimpeded, trying to be enforced a statute upon.
Incorrect.
No, that is correct.
No, sir. Driving is a privilege, not a right.
I'm not driving.
Oh, you are.
I'm traveling.
You're operating a motor vehicle. Okay. Well, we'll see what we got.
Driving's a commercial term. That's why I have non-commercial on the back and not for hire. Driving's a commercial term.
Okay.
I'm traveling in my.
Well, we'll see what we got to do here then. Because if you just give your information, you can give it to that officer, that trooper, and he can do what he's going to do, and then we can be on our way.
I just wish to be on my way.
Well, we could all be on our way. All you got to do is give me or my partner here your social security number, a driver's license, any kind of identification. We can check you.
I'm not required by law to
You are. You are.
You are absolutely.
Okay.
This is what's going to happen. As much as I'm a man and I'm standing here alive today, this is what's going to happen. We're going to break that window. At which time that window's broke, I'm going to send this 100-pound Belgian Malinois in there. He's going to apprehend you. At which time I'm going to drag him and you out of the ground. If you continue to resist, there'll be pain compliance put on you to the point where you will no longer resist. 100%. 100%.
The situation starts to heat up. The police warns Ronald over and over again to exit the car or he will release the beast on him. The beast being the 100-pound police canine dog.
This is your final. He's ready. I'm telling you as we speak. You are going to be bit by this canine if you do not act accordingly. Ready. I'm telling you as we speak. You are going to be bit by
He
this
refuses to comply with the police, which lead to this.
Straight hands. Stop him. Stop him. Oh. I got him. Sorry. Stop that. Stop fighting my dog. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over. Roll over. Give us your hands. Take his right hand. This is your final chance, sir. Grab him, show us your hands! Stop him!
You got it?
Get out, go!
He's got the dog. Dog. Got him, Joe?
Stop it! Stop biting my dog! Roll over on your stomach! Roll over! Roll over!
Got the
Give us your hands! Take his right hand. All right.
I got his leg.
All right.
Got leg.
That cuff.
I got leg.
Oh my God! Ow! Ow!
Stop fighting him.
All right, now extend that arm all the way out. Get away from me.
My arm hurt, you guys! My arm
Troop.
hurt, you guys! Please!
Then stop.
Please! Stop! Please!
Okay, everybody clear?
Please!
Clear.
Close. Turn over your stomach now.
Roll over. Roll over.
I
Hands
am.
behind. Hands behind you.
See, in this situation, all Ronald needed to do was comply. But due to his negligence, he got arrested and charged for driving without seatbelt, resisting arrest, and driving without license. He was sentenced to a 90-day suspended sentence, which basically means if he give any trouble for the next 2 years, they're gonna get the dog on him again. Next up, we have 21-year-old Ian Jimenez. On February 17, 2024, in LA, California, the LAPD were on a patrol when their automatic license plate reader scanned a stolen vehicle. Unlucky for Ian, he was the driver of the stolen vehicle. When he noticed the police, Ian did the smartest thing a young man could do: run. Just start a whole disastrous high-speed chase in the middle of town, not caring about people's lives. And soon enough, he totally crashed into an innocent old man's car, endangering his life.
Hey, don't move!
Ian decided the chase doesn't end there, so he hops out of the car and runs to a house.
Where'd he go? Get back here! He was out. That way?
The police started searching and deployed a canine on the scene.
2 or 50, let me know when your positions are to start. What?
In no time, Ian was found, and let's just say the canine was not too happy to see him, where he took the time to put on a long-sleeve blue shirt as a disguise, if you may call it that.
Hey, let go of my dog! Let go of him! Let go of him! What? Let go of him! What? Hey, let go! What? Let go of him! What? Let go! Hey, let's leave him! Stop grabbing him! What?
Turn around!
After being brutally attacked by the canine, Ian still decided the chase wasn't finished. I mean, you gotta give him some credit. This man is motivated. If only he was using that motivation in the right place. He was caught again shortly, of course.
Hold on. Don't run! Do not run! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground!
After all this drama, he was sent to an hospital to treat the dog wound, and as soon as he was released, he was arrested and charged with fleeing, hit and run, petty theft, and driving a vehicle without the owner's consent. This man was hiding from police when they came to his property to arrest
Everybody watch
him.
my corners for me. Make sure people don't come out.
He chose to hide behind a dishwasher of all places.
Get out, Kevin! Come out now! Mickey! Off! Foy! Mickey! Off! Foy! Off!
The canine has no trouble finding him, and he was put under arrest quickly.
Let me back up. Mickey. Off. Kevin, you're under arrest, partner. To A. Tell him we need 51 fast.
Here we have another clever canine taking down a fleeing criminal. He didn't get too far in his chase, since this dog named Black aggressively took him down.
Right now! Hands up right now! Put your hands out now! Put your hands out right now! Put your hands out! You got him? That is by my dog! Step out! Step out! I got him. Out! Step out! That is by my dog! Step out! Step out! Good boy! Good boy! You hold that man, Bubba!
Hey, let us know in the comments if you ever had an encounter with a police dog. While you're down there, leave a like on the video and subscribe to help us keep the lights on. Thank you for watching.